Hello netizens! Welcome back to my channel. I'm gineerbens and ang ating project na pag-usapan for today is itong Glam residence. So ito ay located sa Quezon City at pag sabihin natin Quezon City ay tag as the City of Stars. Kaya nga yung concept din ng ating condominium unit is Glam. That means glamorosa yung ating condominium unit. And by the way, itong condo na pinag-uusapan natin is isa ito sa mga condo ni Smdc na located sa Quezon City. So I'll give you the project overview sa ating Glam residence. So ito po ay covering with a total of 6,954 square meters. So medyo malaki yung ating area. Ito ay isang tower but it consists of 44 physical floors na meron din siyang 2,966 units wherein it consists with 1 bedroom, meron din tayong 1 bedroom with balcony and 2 bedroom with balcony. At ni-launch po itong project na to noong 2019 and the tentative turnover will be first quarter ng 2024, so this year. So kung tayo ay mag-invest sa real estate, ang pinaka kino-consider yan ay yung kanyang locations. Pero in that case, maaasahan po natin si SMDC. Why? It's because they are actually building their condominium units sa mga prime locations. So pag sabihin natin yung prime locations, very accessible siya when it comes to education, when it comes to hospital, when it comes to mga iba't ibang mga establishment na surrounded within the radius of the project. So just like sa ating Glam residence, ito ay 2.73 kilometers away from the SM North Lifestyle District. 855 kilometers away from the Eton Centris, 2.87 kilometers away from UP Techno Hub, 1.7 kilometers away from Vertes North, 1.78 kilometers away from Araneta Center. At kung pag-usapan din natin yung mga schools, ang dami din mga schools na malalapit lang kay Glam Residence. Meron tayong UP Diliman na 3.47 kilometers, UP Techno Hub 2.87 kilometers, Miriam College 3.75 kilometers away, Ateneo de Manila 3.82 kilometers, and the Philippine Science High School 1.67 kilometers. Then, kung hahanapin din natin yung mga ibang establishment, marami din tayong mga available. Another commercial establishment, pero tayong Don Andres, 362 meters, at ang dami pang mga malalapit na establishment. And when it comes sa mall naman, ay sobrang lapit lang siya sa SM North EDSA na 2.73 kilometers. Meron din tayong mga hospitals na malapit, St. Luke's Medical, 2.55 kilometers lang. Capital Medical, 2.15 kilometers. Philippines Children's Medical Center, 1.3. National Kidney Transplant Institution, 1.4 kilometers. And Philippine Heart Center, 1.1 kilometers. So sobrang accessible siya when it comes to hospitals, schools, commercial establishments, at kahit yung mga malls, no? Yung mga business hubs ay sobrang lapit ng ating Glam residence. Kaya nating inaalam yung mga nearby na mga establishments, it's because later on it will determine yung pag-appreciate ng value ng ating real property investment. Kung kaya't if you observe yung mga real property natin, yung pagka-pre-selling pa siya, medyo mura lang, but pag na-turnover na or na-establish na yung building, medyo may kamahalan na yung mga units na available. So may dagdag ko lang na tayo mga OFW, isa ito sa magandang investment na paglalaanan ng ating mga pera dahil hindi naman natin ipagkailala talagang sobrang mahirap mag-trust ng business, lalong-lalo na kung hindi ikaw mismo yung talagang on hand na mag-manage ng business mo. So in this case, pag mag-invest tayo sa real estate, lalong-lalo ito sa condominium unit, pag mabigay na natin yung mga requirements at nakapag-start na tayo, wala po siyang headache sa atin dahil ongoing naman yung ating pagbabayad at ongoing naman yung ating pag-i-invest doon sa unit na yun. Until such time na matapos natin yung prescribe or requirement ng ating payment milestone, then that's the time na pwede na nating magamit yung ating unit. Ito pa yung kagandahan kung mag-i-invest tayo sa condominium unit dahil pwede nating pagkakitaan. We call it like earning while investing. Dahil pwede mong parentahan yung unit mo pag ito ay na-turnover na sa'yo. So, hindi ka masyado mahihirapan sa yung monthly amortization or even pwede ka pang kumita doon if magkaroon ka ng magandang arrangement sa tenant mo. So by the way, as of this filming, meron akong nakitang pinakamura sa ating units na available na lang is ranging from 5.8 pataas. So as of this filming also, meron po tayong 15% discount doon sa ating total list price at ang ating down payment ay 10% which is payable siya in 44 months. Then yung remaining 90% is ilo-loan na natin sa mga lending institution. Ang take note, 0% interest yung ating down payment. So diba, napaka-convenient sa part natin. At ang ating monthly amortization sa down payment period, yung sinabi ko kanina, if mag-reserve kayo ng 1.8, magmamonthly lang kayo ng around 13,000 pesos. So hindi siya mabigat, knowing na napakaganda yung ating project, napakaganda ng location ng ating project. So if you have some questions, you can direct message to my Facebook page, nasa description box below. So I guess that's it for this project, and we will talk more of some of the remaining residences or remaining projects available ng under sa SMDC. So I guess that's it for this episode. Have a great day and God bless. Bye!